Hello everyone, welcome to my channel English with me. You're watching English in 5 minutes.
By the end of this video, you will be able to say goodbye in 3 different ways that native speakers use every day, know exactly when to use each one, pronounce each goodbye correctly and with confidence. Bonus, learn text message goodbyes like a native speaker. And if you stay until the end, I'll share the secret goodbye that young Americans use most in text messages. Let's get started. Let's start with number 1. Goodbye. Listen carefully. Goodbye. 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 This is the most formal way to say goodbye. It's perfect for work situations, school, when talking to your boss, meeting new people. Example, thank you for the meeting. Goodbye. Now you try. Repeat after me. Goodbye. Goodbye. Perfect. Number 2. See you later. Listen carefully. See you later. See you later. See you later. This is casual and friendly. Use it with friends, classmates, people you know well when you plan to see them again. Example, I'm going home now. See you later. Your turn to practice. See you later. See you later. Excellent. Number 3, take care. Listen carefully. Take care. Take care. Take care. This is warm and shows you care about the person. Perfect for close friends, family, when someone is going through a difficult time. Long goodbyes. Example, drive safely, take care. Practice with me. Take care. Take care. Great job. Let's review quickly. Goodbye, formal situations. See you later, casual with friends. Take care, warm and caring. Remember, the situation decides which one to use. Now for your bonus, how to say goodbye in WhatsApp and text messages. Number 1, bye. Bye, bye, with an exclamation mark. Simple and friendly. Number 2, talk soon. Perfect when you plan to message again. Number 3, catch you later. This is the secret. Young Americans love this phrase. It means see you later, but sounds super cool and natural. Listen, catch you later. Catch you later. How did you do? Practice makes perfect. Amazing! You now know 3 ways to say goodbye like a native speaker, plus the secret text goodbyes. But here's the thing, knowing is not enough. You must practice. Use these every single day. Pay attention to who you're talking to. Be confident and try them today. I want to hear from you. Which goodbye will you try first? Comment below right now. And listen, if this video helps you learn something new, hit that thumbs up button. It really helps me create more free English lessons for you. Don't forget to subscribe to English with me and ring that notification bell so you never miss my English tips. Your English journey starts now. Until next time, catch you later!